Caballero Potris. Spanish bread dessert. A dessert from Belize. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Combine sugar, water, cinnamon, and orange leaves. Bring to boil 15 to 20 minutes until mixture thickens. Step 2. Beat eggs separately, then combine whites and yolks. Step 3. Cut slices of bread in half. Step 4. Dip bread into egg and brown slightly in shortening. Drain. Step 5. Arrange in saucepan. Add raisins and cinnamon. Step 6. Pour syrup mixture over and boil for 15 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.